and welcome to Living Life to the Fullest, where we learn or do something new each and every day. If you think I'm taking a shortcut on this, you're not. I've done as many takes as possible. This is the Rubik's Cube, just basically trying to get through phase 1. Not even phase 2 or phase 3 we're trying to solve. Basically what we're trying to do in here is getting the cross like that. That's our goal, so I don't even know if these are in the correct spot, but so our next goal is to fill the 4 corners. So we're going to try that here. Let's see if we can knock that out. Okay. So we'll go there, there, there. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Alright, good. The problem is, yeah, it needs to go there, so it's orange. No. It needs to stay there. Yep, okay. So there, down there, back over, back up. Okay. We're still at 2. Just had to kind of do some housekeeping there. Okay. Okay. Works. Go here, down to here, or there. Okay. As you can see, we're down to 1. See if we can get the last one. Hopefully the last one is in a good spot. It is not, of course. This is where I struggle. So we're going to go that way. Let's go that way. And back. Okay. So now we see that it is up there. So we're going to bring it here, there, back there. Okay. Nope. Nope. Okay. See, it's there. Okay. So bring it over here. Oh, that's weird. Okay. We got it back. Alright. Now I need to figure out how to get that from here into there. Okay. So it's there now. Alright. Let's see if we can do this here. Okay. So that should fall right back into place. Let's see if we did it. Oh yeah, we finally got it. Alright, cool. It's not, we need to bring it over here. Cool, I think we're going to do it. So that's going to go that way, that way, that way. Boom! I can't even tell you how many times I tried this. So it may seem like a small feat, but this is pretty exciting for me. So today I learned how to do phase 1 with Rubik's Cube. Pretty excited about it. Tomorrow maybe phase 2. No, actually I have a song for you tomorrow. But sometime soon phase 2 and then phase 3. So I'm actually, I can't even express how excited I am because I messed this up so many times. I've been working on it for a while, and I know that might say something about me, but anyway, we'll see you tomorrow.